How to delete all saved posts at once in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's go ahead and save some posts right here. So after saving it, to now delete all the saved posts, first head over to your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, you'll find how you use Instagram section where you can tap on saved option. There, you'll find all of the saved posts, so you can tap on it to see. And then tap on the three dots right there and then tap on select. Now you can select all of these by tapping on select all from the top right corner and then tap on unsave and confirm it. And with that, you have removed all of the posts from your saved posts on Instagram at once. And that's how simple it is, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.